In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily copy your Behance profile link. Whether you're looking to share your portfolio with potential clients, collaborators, or just want to showcase your creative work, being able to quickly access and share your profile link is an essential skill. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Behance account. Head over to the Behance website on your preferred browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details. Once logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar, which represents your profile. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From these, select either Profile or View Profile. This will take you directly to your Behance profile page, where all your creative projects are displayed. Now, here's where you find your profile link. Once your profile page loads, direct your attention to the browser's address bar. This is where you'll find the direct URL to your profile. It typically looks something like behance.net/your username. It's a straightforward address, but it's crucial for sharing your work online because it takes people directly to your portfolio. The next step is to copy this URL so you can share it wherever necessary. To do this, click on the address bar. This will highlight the entire link. On a Windows computer, you can simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, the combination is Command+C. These keyboard shortcuts will copy the highlighted URL to your clipboard. And just like that, you've copied your Behance profile link. Now, whenever you need to share your portfolio, you can paste the link into an email, a document, social media, or wherever you need it. Just use the paste shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. This process makes it incredibly easy to share your work with just a few clicks. To wrap up, accessing and copying your Behance profile link is a quick, simple process that can significantly enhance your ability to connect and share your creative projects with the world. Log in, navigate to your profile, and grab that link from the address bar. With this skill in your toolkit, you're all set to share your portfolio instantly and effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.